Raven gonna be standing in a box of cans. The cans can have a tendency to pop up. Get their... Wow, that was a load of snow off of the roof, and Raven didn't even react. It was nice and calm. This is the end of the trail where they learn to stand quietly, nicely, and they don't come off the front. They have to back off. Simulates coming out of the back end of a horse trailer. She goes easily into the trot. A little headstrong.